Many Cornish people, especially miners and fishermen, had simple diets that depended on affordable and nourishing ingredients. Vegetables were a staple, like mushrooms and onions, often combined with dairy, grains, or occasional meat. Many Cornish families also grew their own vegetables and relied on what was available seasonally. This mushroom bake is a prime example of simple but delicious fare. Butter, milk, and cheese, mushrooms and onions, along with flour, breadcrumbs, and salt and pepper to taste. In a medium saucepan, melt butter over medium heat and whisk in flour until smooth. Whisk in milk until smooth and creamy. Remove from heat and stir in 3/4 cup of cheddar cheese until melted. Stir in chopped mushrooms and onions. Spoon the mixture into a casserole dish and top with remaining cheese. In a small bowl, combine the breadcrumbs, salt, and pepper, and sprinkle the breadcrumb mix atop the cheese. Place in the oven and bake for 50 minutes. Enjoy warm. It's perfect as a side or vegetarian main.